Alright guys, so I thought the family can replace the clothing that's upstairs in this house, so my dad said I could have the function she replaced up later on, that broke off with the clothing. This is a new fan. This is some kind of G-vent thing, I don't know what it is. See, this tag. See, yeah, I don't know what this is. It's probably a, Concord or something. See if I can turn it over. Okay, there's the mount bracket. There's, probably in there. Got my loose on it, unfortunately. Oops, whoops. Gosh. You're not done this. Alright, this is what the front of it looks like. Says are loose on it, unfortunately. Yeah, in pretty good shape. No expansion in there. So yeah. Thanks for watching.